Cowlicks, that little part of your hair that does what it wants to do, is one of the most frustrating things that we as super stylish and well-groomed men have to face. Now, today I want to just go over a few quick tips that you can try to manage that pain in the ass cowlick. The first thing I would recommend, gentlemen, is try a new hairstyle. If your cowlick is telling your hair it wants to do one thing, try and look for a hairstyle that's going to actually complement the cowlick and the direction it wants to go. Now, the second tip is let it grow. Your cowlick is very stubborn. Oftentimes, letting your hair grow a little bit longer will help it relax and actually lay down a little bit better. The other thing you can do is use a high hold pomade. Flooding that area with pomade and trying to manage it and then using a hair dryer to actually get it to go in the direction you're looking for oftentimes is a great way. Which brings us to the hair dryer. Guys, if you are somebody who suffers from a cowlick, learn to use a hair dryer, all right? Sometimes you're going to need to blow it against the cowlick to get it to do what you want it to do, but at the end of the day, guys, a cowlick is something not to fight, it's something to embrace, and honestly find a style that's going to work for it. And the other cool thing is that cowlicks are kind of cute.